Emergency alert! All units, move out!
Got it!
The Blue Rescue Team, let's go!
Police car Riki, catch the doughnut thieves!
Mommy, I want this one.
Okay, can we get 2 of these, please?
Sure.
Oh, yeah!
That looks so yummy.
I want to eat one too.
I can't help it. Let's steal the donuts.
What a great idea!
Wow!
These donuts are coming with us.
They're thieves!
Get in!
Help me! Rescue team!
Emergency alert! Emergency alert! Riki, prepare to move out!
Okay!
Riki! The donuts have been kidnapped! The criminals ran away in a black car!
What? Okay! There are too many cars! What should I do?
A speeding car has been found downtown.
Huh? That's it! Huh? I found you!
Oh, what's that sound? What? Oh no!
It's the police! Stop right there!
Ha, the police? Let's run away! Everyone hold on tight!
He's still following us.
Leave us alone! Everyone move!
Is everyone okay?
We're all right, so go!
Those thieves! Strong! Riki! I need backup!
Okay.
Woohoo! We lost him!
Yahoo! That car is the best.
It's not over yet!
He's back again.
He doesn't know how to quit.
He can't catch up to us anyway. Huh?
I got you, you little thieves.
I made it just in time.
Strong! Riki, thanks so much!
It was nothing. We got caught after all.
Rescue team, thank you for rescuing my donuts.
Thank you!
We really didn't do all that much.
We couldn't have done it if it weren't for you guys!
Well, that's true too.
Huh?
Why are you laughing? It's true.
Raccoons, bad car! We're taking you to the headquarters now! Many cars got hurt because of you guys!
Yeah, the roads are messed up too. We're so sorry.
We couldn't help it because we were hungry.
Sorry.
I admit we do look quite yummy.
Time for us to get going!
Bye!
Another successful mission!